Just looking at the little birds. There's been we actually saw a blue jay a moment ago, and I haven't seen blue jays for a while, but we have some sparrows and chickadees. I'm just waiting to see if the blue jay comes back, actually. It's always nice to watch the little birds outside. Little birds. I'm not the only one watching the little birds. There's a little cat head here watching the little birds. There's Lola. Lola. L-O-L-A, Lola. Watching the little birds. Put lots of fresh bird seed out today. We're hoping that blue jay comes back. Oh no, there's no little birds. The beauty makes one. I saw someone with the name Owl there. Someone was telling me that there's some owls down at the other end of the park. Black cats are the best, yes. Actually, if you go into the Calgary Humane Society, they have all these little signs on why black cats are the best. Like, they're dressed up already to go to a formal outing. They have all sorts of cool reasons why you should have a black cat.
Hey, you went for it.
What is it?
I gave him a piece of raw squash.
Oh, good.
Seems to like it pretty good.
You have one black and one tuxedo. Oh, okay. And yeah, we have a tuxedo. Parrots eating raw squash. Yum, yum, yum.
Well, it's good for him.
Squash, yum. Oh, tasty. Very good. So he took that from you, eh? Oh, the little birds are gone. Well, I'll come back. I was just looking to see if the blue jay was going to come back, actually. No luck. And I saw a magpie out there. And a part coin and rusty tabby. Coon. You have a coon? Wow. All sorts of cats. Lola's just got up. Where did Lola go?
A coon like a Maine coon, or a coon like a raccoon.
What's a cat?
So a Maine coon.
4 cats, 2 dogs, all rescues. Wow, that's a lively household. Yeah, we have 2 pets and they're both rescues. Yeah, our cat we rescued during the during the flood. We had a flood here in Calgary and the shelters were getting really full. House full, yeah, a lively house. Yeah, so we went and got our cat then. It's our rescue parrot. Just had a piece of squash. Rescue bird. Happy bird, really happy bird today.
Yeah, he's in a good mood.
Really happy bird, happy bird.
So far.
So far, happy bird, yeah. Alrighty, not much outside. And I don't know where Lola went. Lola went, I know what direction, but disappeared. Now the bird's looking outside. We're all looking for birds now. Well, probably pretty soon the pheasants should be coming up. It's about that time of day that the pheasants show up, so we might be back with another scope of pheasants.